Hello guys, welcome back to the Programmer Guide. In our last video, we understand about characters and meta characters with practical demonstrations. We understand about wildcard meta character and escape meta character and how they used to work. We learn about some special characters. In this video, we will understand some other meta characters and how they used to work. So let's get started. Character sets meta character. It used to represent by square brackets, where open bracket is used for begin a character set and close bracket is used for end a character set. So anyone will match of several characters. Means we used to put some characters inside these square brackets and anyone used to match in our text. Order of the characters in the set does not matter, and here you can see some examples where inside the square bracket there is vowels and it will match any one vowel, and here you can see gray or gray, but it will not match great. So let's see these examples on browser. Here is my text, and let me write here my character set. So you can see it's matching. Here you can see explanation, match any character in the set. So firstly it will match. Is W is matching inside the character set? No. E is matching? Yes. So through this it will go till end and it will match, like if any vowel is matching or not. Here you can see 12 matches. So this is how character set used to work, and let me show you one more example. Right, here it will match gray, gray, A, but it will not gonna match both. So character set used to match a single character at a time, right? So it will match either E or A, but not both. So that's how character set used to work. So let's back to the slide. In example, we saw how character set used to work. We find vowels, and for that we need to write A, E, I, O, U inside character set. It's good if you find some particular characters, but what if you want to find from A to Z? For that we have another meta character called character range. It used to represent by dash, and it includes all characters between two characters and only a meta characters between a character set. And here you should keep in mind that it used to match only single characters. Means if you want to find 0 to 9, then it will find only a single character, but if you want to find 50 to 99, so it will not match. So let's see the same example on browser. So here let me write my expression 9. So here you can see explanation, match any character in the set, and here matches a character in the range 0 to 9. So here we can write like this, and here you can see it's matching. So how, as we know how regex used to work, it used to match first 4, it will take 4, it will match, it's matching in between 0 to 9, yes. It will match then 4, it's matching 0 to 9, yes. Then space, so space is not coming, so it will not match. So here you can see how it used to work. Let's see the same thing with characters. Character range from A to Z. And here we will write something like grammar, right? So here you can see A to Z is matching, right? And if I will write here, it will match. And here we can see like it's matching both, and here you can see range from A to Z, right? So this used for range, and if I am writing here some other like from two range, this, now we can see 0 1 2. Now it's matching 0 5 6 7 8 9. So it's matching from 5 to 9 is taking as a range, and 5 and 0 is taking as a literal characters. So here you can see taking as a character matches a 5 character, and here matches a character in the range 5 to 9, right? And here you can see matches a 0 character. So this one is taken as a character and this one is taken as a range character. So let's go back to our slides. In example, we saw how character range used to work, and keep it in mind that it will match only one single character, not double. Another meta character is negative meta character, which used to represent by caret. It used to negate a character set. It means inside the character set, it will not match anyone. So it used to put first character inside a character set. Here you can see some examples. So let's see same examples on browser. Here is my text. So let's write a negate character set. So first we need to put a negate character. Here you can see negate set. Okay, and now you can see here explanation that match any character that is not in the set. So it will match any character which is not present inside this set, right? So it is matching W but not E, as you can see here, right? So this is how negate set used to work. So let's take another example. Now you can see here I am checking for another. Here you can see it's not matching bean, beef, but it's matching bee or bag. But here you can see there is space. That's why it's matching. Let me remove this space, right? And let me remove this also. Now it's not matching. So in negate character, it needs a character which needs to be matched. Okay. So if there is no character after this B, so it will not match. It should be anything like space, or here you can see example match any character that is not in the set. So space is not in the set, G is not in the set, so anything that is not present inside the set it will match. Let's go back to our slide. In example, we saw how negative meta character used inside character sets. And here one thing need to remember that if you are using negative meta character, then it will search at least one character. So if it will not find, it will not match. So how to use meta characters inside character sets? Basically, it's a very little bit complex, because before we was learning that we need escape character for using meta characters as a literal character, but in character sets most of the meta characters don't need to escape. Okay, so here you can see dot matches get and g dot d but not got, because here dot is using as a literal character. There is some exception that we cannot use closing square bracket dash caret or backslash, because it will use for some different. So if you want to use these meta characters, then you have to escape it. Here are some examples. So let's check the same examples on browser. We need to write an expression which should meet our requirement. So let's write. You can use it directly. And here you can see, like, I'm not using backslash. Okay, I'm not escaping it. So how it's reacting is saying that match any character in the set. So it's closing here, but we need to close here. What we need to do? We need to escape it. Now you can see here it's matching. Another example you can take. For this, we need to write an expression, right? But we cannot use it directly. Here you can see it's creating error. For that, for solving it, you need to write this, and for escaping, backslash. Right now you can see it's matching, and right now you can see it's matching our pattern. Okay, so that's how we can use meta characters inside character sets. So let's go back to our slides. We understand how we can use meta characters inside character sets. I show you these two examples. You can practice with this third example, and let's go to next slide. Is shorthand character sets, as we understand these things in our first video. These are shorthand character sets, these are meanings, and these are equivalent. And one thing you need to remember, that underscore we used to count in regex as word character. So this thing you need to remember. Another thing is it used to check single character. There is some examples that how you can make your expression. So let's go back to our browser to check these things. Here I'm writing some expression. So here you can see it will match digit character. And as I told you, we used to count underscore as a word character. It's matching, but it's not matching because it is checking for single character I, then space, then again a character, then again a character, right? So it's taking dash as a character, not a range character, right? So that's how we can use shortened character sets, and how we can make expression, how exactly regex used to work. Let's go back to our slides. Here we saw these examples, and you can see that inside character set, negate backslash small d. So it's used to represent like for numbers, but negate means not number. So it's same as like underscore capital backslash capital D or nugget 0 dash 9. And here is some caution that you need to be careful that this expression is not same as this. In this expression means not digit or space character, and this means either not digit or not space character. So while using, be careful about it. In this video, we learn about the character sets, range meta character, negate characters, and we learn how we can use meta characters inside character sets. In our next video, we will understand some of more meta characters, and we will understand how we can reduce the repetition of the characters inside our expression. So till that, keep learning, and if you learn anything from this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe.